Okay, ladies and gents, welcome back. This is the one and only Light Liger, the crypto enthusiast. And first of all, I want to say happy holidays to everybody. New Year's closing in, and hopefully people are spending their vacations with their loved ones, pets, and families, and eating nice dinners and having great time all together. And I had pretty nice Christmas myself outside from the fact that YouTube started to censor crypto content. So in case you've been living under the rock and don't follow other crypto YouTubers, YouTube is basically censoring a lot of videos right now. A lot of people have been taken down, which are talking about finance and banking and all of this crypto stuff. The big channels have been mostly affected. I haven't lost a single video, thankfully, but I want to remind in this place and this time that it's very important to support the creators in decentralized spaces, bittubers.com. I have also my uploads on library.io, and I'm also uploading the cinnamon.video and Vibravid. So these are going to be the future, and also BitChute, I forgot to mention that. So I am uploading into many places as possible so that people can access my content from anywhere around the world, and YouTube is just not part of the future. We as a decentralized community are. So please support people in these new platforms. They have a lot of incentives. They pay you for watching stuff and etc. And that's much more than YouTube does. So you have to kind of like go out of your comfort zone and at least try them out. But today we're going to be talking about this new wallet that I found out called Atomex. And it is, well, very new. They started it in September. It is currently available on Windows, and I believe there's a Mac version, but obviously this review will be based on the Mac version. And first of all, when you install the program, you're allowed to create your own account. One of the good things about this one is that it actually allows you to choose the amount of seed words. So it gives you 12, 14, 18, 24, and this gives an extra layer of security to your wallet, which is very nice, something that I haven't seen in any other wallet. And also you have to set up a password. Obviously I'm not going to show it what it is. And there, voila, we have unlocked the wallet. So let me resize this. I like wallets which allow you to kind of, you know, make them bigger and smaller, kind of like my penis. Okay, that was a bad joke. But it is still very fresh and new wallet. It doesn't have many coins right now. It has Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Tezos. And one of the big things about this wallet is their conversion tool. So it actually supports atomic swaps. So in case I would like to, you know, have my convert my Tezos into Bitcoin, I can do that, or I want to convert it into the Ethereum. This can be done with a simple clicking button. And that is something that does exist in other wallets, but they might use like Simplex UI, I mean Simplex like order listings or other services. To me, this is like a real atomic swap support. There are a couple of pairings here. I think Bitcoin can be traded to everything, Litecoin can be converted to Bitcoin, and Ethereum can be converted into Tezos and Bitcoin. And it is pretty clean layout. One of the things that I do like about it, when you go to wallet section and you choose Tezos, it actually shows you timestamps, the gas limits, the fees, transaction ID, from to whom. This is a lot of information, which a lot of other wallets don't have. They may have the text ID, but this has a lot of valuable information. One thing that I would like to see in future maybe is the current price, and which would stay there, and so I would know like how much this transaction was back then, blah blah blah. And as I said, Litecoin, Ethereum is supported, and also Bitcoin. There are some nice settings that are included here, so you can set up period of inactivity. If you don't touch your wallet for 5 minutes, you're basically, it closes on, you have to put the password again. That's a nice extra layer. Balance updates can be updated every 2 minutes. And that's pretty much for the settings. So there's not really that much stuff yet in the wallet. But there is one very nice thing for the Tezos users, which is voting for a delegate. And I'm going to show you how it's done. There's many delegate opportunities here. Obviously, I always want to say that it's very important to do your research and always choose the kind of like decentralized way. Don't give Binance everything or the Coinbase or something like that. So I am gonna be giving. I haven't looked into them. I'm gonna just put everything to this one, and we're gonna put this one, and we're gonna fee. Use the default fee. Yeah. Okay. Delegate. And yes. And successful delegation. That's how it's done. And it probably should show up soon in the, and then you get this update button. This is very nice. Let's see what happens in a second. And after a minute of refreshing, you can actually see that there's a delegation done with the number of Tezos there, and that's how easy it's basically done. I'm not really sure how you can undelegate that amount. I guess you just vote for a different candidate and you just put the money there and it's done like that. But that's kind of like my look into the Atomex wallet. I think there's a lot of promise for that. I think I like the base UI. Obviously, it needs to have a lot more coins in the future to be competing with a lot of the big dogs. And also new features are obviously something that we probably want to see. Maybe delegation to Tron or other type of things. Obviously, I've heard that the Tezos contracts are so easy to implement that so many wallets have that feature right now. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews. In case you want to support me, you can drop me some Tezos, Bitcoin, or other coins. I have my addresses down below to support my work in these very hard times of censorship. But I appreciate all of you that have been supporting me so far, and I will keep going on no matter what, even if YouTube takes my channel down. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.